What a beautiful cake. It looks so nice. It's
yeah,
gold.
I know.
What? No, stop, no. Hey guys, I'm Ayush.
And I'm Marv.
And we're the Tasty Twins. Today we're going to be making cake pops. Let's get to it. So we made a cake. The recipe we used was from one of our previous videos called How to Make a Double Layer Classic Vanilla Cake. We didn't butter or like grease the pans for this cake because we're just going to scoop it out and mix it up to make the cake pops. Okay, so we're going to empty our cake into this large bowl. Oh wow, that came out clean. And then we're just gonna mix it up until it becomes like a powder kind of. Okay, just gonna press into it. I just gotta make sure that everything is like separate. No huge clumps, like nothing like this. I want it smaller, just like that. Okay, so this is like a perfect texture. And now we're gonna get into the next step. Okay, so we're gonna make two different flavors. We're gonna have like a chocolate one and a vanilla one. And so I'm gonna separate this into half and put it in the other bowl. Okay, so we're gonna add in like 2 scoops to start off with the vanilla into this bowl, and then 2 scoops of the chocolate into this bowl. And like these are like teaspoons, and yeah, it's like a perfect amount to start off with. We don't want it to be like too moist because then it gets really soggy and yeah. Okay, so it's turned to like a nice chocolatey mixture. Okay, now this one. Once again, gotta be really patient here, as this also will take a long time. So you have to get everything mixed in. Okay, so we have a perfect consistency for both, and now we're gonna get into our next step. So we have our milk chocolate chips and our white chocolate chips in a small coffee cup. We put it in a cup because we want to dip our cake pops in the end, not roll them, because that may be a little bit difficult. And now we're gonna go microwave it until it is a liquid. So we got this hard like paper material and we stuck our cake pop sticks into it, and now we're just gonna get a cake pop stick, and depending on what the like flavor is, vanilla or chocolate, we're gonna get it and dip it into the chocolate. We may need to make more later on. See how much we have, and we're gonna get one of our cake pop balls and just stick it in. And then place it onto this. So once you've attached them, you can like pat it around, make it like a perfect ball if you want. And then once we're done all of these, we're gonna put it in the freezer for 20 minutes. So we transferred it into a small cupcake tray because the weight of the cake pop was like breaking through and like making a full hole through the cake pop, so it just didn't make sense. So this is a lot easier because it's like now the weight of the straw is the cake pop stick is going into the cake pop ball. Okay, so we are going to dip the cake pops into the melted chocolate and then stand them on this cardboard thingy, and then we're gonna put it in the freezer for about 20 more minutes. Yes. Okay, so this is one of our cake pops. As you can see here, it doesn't look the best, but it probably will taste good. An issue that we had was that we waited too long to dip the cake pop with the batter, like the cake part, into the chocolate, and so the chocolate started to harden a little bit, and that made it so like hard to deal with, and yeah. So when you're making our cake pop, make sure to melt it some more before you dip the cake part into the melted chocolate, otherwise it'll turn out what I showed you earlier. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share the video, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos that we post. See you next time. Bye-bye.